Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we will solve some questions of worksheet 1 chapter number 4 direct and inverse variation. Hello students, welcome to maths class. Some students were having problem in this worksheet. First problem is question number 7. If the weight of the 5 sheets of paper is rupees 20, how many sheets of the same papers would weigh 2.5 kg. Your solution is, first of all, let the required number of sheets is equal to x. Then draw the table in which you will write here number of sheets and here weight. 5 sheets weighing 20 kg. And you have to find the sheets which I have supposed x. Weight is 2.5 kg, but you will convert kg into grams because this unit should be same. So how you will convert 2.5 kg multiply by 1000. I will remove point here and write 10 here. Cancel this 0 with this 0 and you will get 2500 grams. It means you can write here 2500 grams. As it is direct variation, because if number of sheets are increasing, then weight will also increase. Write here 5 over 20 here is equal to, see the sign of equal to, x over 2500. From this table, x over 2500. Cross multiply, we will get 20 multiply by x is equal to 5 multiply by 2500. Find the value of x and write this 20 here in division. You will get by cancelling this 0 with this 0, and at the table of 2 you will reduce 250 to 125. Multiply 125 by 5, you will get 625. So it means your required number of sheets are 625. Next is question number 8. Reena types 600 words in 4 minutes. How many times will she take to type 3150 words? So its solution is this. First of all, draw this box, write number of words here she can type and time taken by her to type these words. 600 words in 4 minutes she types, and 3150 words, but we don't know time here. We have to find a time, so we have supposed here x. It is direct variation because if she types more words, she will take more time. Write 600 over 4 is equal to 3150 over x. Cross multiply, 600 by x is equal to 4 multiply by 3150. Then find the value of x. When you will bring 600 here and cancel this 0 with this 0, 4 ones are 4 and 15 fours are 60. Then at the table of 15 you will reduce 315 by cutting at 21. X is equal to 21 minutes. It means required time is 21 minutes. Next question is question number 9. Rohan takes 14 steps in covering a distance of 2.8 meters. What distance would he cover in 150 steps? So first of all we will draw table. Draw this table. This is number of steps taken by him and distance covered in 14 steps. 14, 2.8 meter. And then 150 steps required steps we have assumed is equal to x. Direct variation, then write 14 over 2.8 is equal to 150 over x. 150 over x. Then cross multiply. You will multiply 14 into x and 150 into 2.8. 14 into x, 150 multiply 2.8, but I removed the point and mark here 10. Then cancel this 0 with this 0. Now I have 15 into 28. Thus 14. You should bring here 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28. Now we are left with 15 and 2. 15 twos are 30. It means required distance is covered in 150 steps is 30 meter. Question number 10. A dealer finds that 48 refined oil cans, each can is of 5 liter, can be packed in 8 cartons of the same size. How many such cartons will he require to pack 216 cans? So your solution of this question is question number 10. First of all, draw the table. Here write refined oil cans and number of cartons in which these cans are packed. 48 cans can be packed in 8 cartons and 216 cans can be packed in X because we don't know X cartons. It is direct variation and write here 48 over 8. See here 48 over 8 is equal to 216 over X. 216 over X. Cross multiply. You will multiply 48 by X. Then 8 multiply by 216. Bring 48 here and by cutting reduce in lowest term. Your answer will be 36 cartons. Question number 11. The total cost of 15 newspaper is rupees 37.50. Find the cost of 25 newspapers. The solution of this question is, here draw the table, write newspaper here and cost. 15 newspaper cost 37.50. We have to find the cost of 25 newspapers. Let required cost is X. Here we have written that is direct variation. Then write 15 over 37.50 is equal to 25 over X. Here I have written. Then cross multiply. 15 into X is equal to 25 into 37.50. Remove decimal here. I have removed. Marked 2 zeros because there are 2 digits after this decimal. Cancel this 0 with this 0. Then I have 25 multiply 375 over 10. This 10. And bring 15 here. After reducing into lowest term by cutting with the tables, you will get 125 by 2, and when you divide it, your answer will be 64.50. It means the cost of 25 newspapers will be 64.50. Thank you so much.